Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Pixel 8a is unlocked and updated, and you have the carrier QR or activation code. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then SIMs. Once there, tap Add Carrier to start the eSIM install flow. Make sure Wi-Fi or data is active so the phone can download the profile, otherwise the process stalls. If asked, choose eSIM rather than physical SIM. This gets you into the carrier, provisioning step quickly and correctly. You now provision the eSIM by scanning the carrier QR or typing the activation code from your carrier. Follow on-screen prompts. Assign the profile a name, set it for mobile data or calls if asked, and confirm preferred network options. Once you tap Install, the Pixel downloads the profile and provisions credentials. This can take a minute. Make sure you don't enable airplane mode or restart the phone during download, and keep Wi-Fi or data active until the phone shows the profile as installed. You finish by selecting the new eSIM as your active line for data or calls in settings, then allow the Pixel to finalize activation. Sometimes a quick restart is required. Confirm signal strength and carrier name in the status bar, then send a test SMS or call to verify service. If it doesn't connect, try toggling the eSIM off and on, rescan the QR code, or remove and re-add the profile. If that fails, contact carrier support for the activation status so you can complete setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.